Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me today for this meditation session. The title is Mountain Meditation. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seated position, either on the floor as I am, or in a chair with back support. You can place your hands on your knees or in your lap as I am. If you feel comfortable, I invite you to close your eyes now. Breathing in and out through the nose. Throughout this meditation session, I would like you to try and answer this question. What can we learn from a mountain? What can we learn from a mountain? I would like you to visualize or imagine a mountain. What does the base look like? Are there trees in the foothills? Living animals? What about the sides of the mountains? Does your mountain have multiple peaks or a single peak? Is it covered in ice or snow? Is your peak elevated above the clouds? As you look up, do you see the stars? How's the weather on your mountain? Is it pleasant? What can we learn from the mountain? Just like in life, ups and downs, ebb and flows. Through good times or bad times, good weather or bad weather on the mountain still sits. Hour after hour, days after days, years after years, the mountain sits. As day turns into night, and night turns into day, the mountain sits. The mountain sits. When we take our seat with our meditation practice, we can learn to be rooted, to be grounded, to build a strong foundation of calmness and peace. It's not easy. It's difficult. But with practice, we can learn to be more like the mountain. If you are there to witness bad conditions on the mountain, or even if no one's there to see, the mountain still sits. Same as in life. There's a saying that the only thing consistent is change. So by taking our seat and remembering to be more mindful of life and everything that goes around us, just like bad weather and life around the mountain, if we can remember to be still and witness things that go on, but witness it from the perspective of strength, mindfulness, and stillness. Great job today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to join our community Facebook group where you can ask questions and we can just chat about everything that's meditation. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.